Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Walmart associate and need a quick guide on how to log in to your employee account online, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. In the address bar, type in one.walmart.com. This is Walmart's official portal for the employees. Once the page loads, you'll see the Walmart homepage. Here you'll find various resources, but for logging in, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the login page. Now here you'll need to enter your credentials. That includes your user ID and password. Your user ID is typically your Walmart identification number or WIN for short. Now what you need to do is enter your country, region and location and click on sign in. Then you might need to enter your user ID in the first field. Then enter your password in the second field. If this is your first time logging in, your initial password might be the one given by your manager or the default password set by Walmart. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure to type it correctly. After entering your user ID and password, click on sign in. If your credentials are correct, you'll be logged in into your account. And that's it. Logging in is simple once you know where to go and what to do. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your manager or the Walmart support team for assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.